I will repeat again and again and again. Thanks to everyone who came, who was supporting us from the first minute of this Duran Cup, and because of them we could reach also the semi-final, and I'm very grateful with all of them because they deserve the best. This support is unbelievable, and we will try again. We will try again during the A-League. And sadly, the match of today we knew was going to be a tough match. They got a very good squad as well. And sadly, the attempts we had in the first half, we couldn't end the action properly. But I think, and it's I think from the point of view as a coach and being objective, the first 10 minutes we played. I think to score at least one goal. Obviously, when you are or when the team is 2 goals down, it's very complicated to keep the intensity, and they knew how to cancel us. But we tried till the end, and I only can say that all of us, we are very proud of the performance of the players, and we are very proud of what we did in this tournament. It's a milestone, and hopefully we can carry on the same successful performances the rest of the year.
So coach,
I think if we carry on with the same we did in all matches, also today during when the score was draw 0-0, we were in an equal level of performance. I think the second goal was a big problem for us, and psychologically they went down too much, and that's why I think in the second half we couldn't perform as I thought. However, if we carry on with the same performance level we played, not only today, also against Bengal and against the second half against FC Goa and the 2 previous matches, I expect the best for all of them. I expect the best in A-League. I only saw that in the first goal. The first goal was a mismatch, 100%. The swap of the players of Northeast in that moment was correctly covered by us. There was a lack of communication, and that's why the guy who received the ball and crossed the ball was alone. However, I don't think there was a coordination problem today. It was they had 3 chances in the first half, they scored 2. And when you are 2 goals down, it's complicated to change the situation. But I think the team, till the second goal, the performance of the team was very good. Obviously, in the second half, with 2 goals down, it's very complicated to change. We had a lot of these passes in the second half, and that's why we couldn't perform as we did in the previous match against Bengal. But I don't think it was a coordination problem. I think so, from my point of view.
There was a winning spree until today.
We have to improve a lot the movement of the ball when we're attacking. I think it's, for us, is one of the main targets. We've got to sort it out as soon as possible. The movement of the ball, too much missed passes again today. So I think when the team can sort out that point, the performance will be even better than the matches we played so far.
so coach,
Passes.
what about the speed? All of them.
If we had performing better with the ball in the moment the team was attacking, I'm completely convinced the score was other than these 2
And also, do you miss any high player, because Bimamar was very, also Javaku was very dominated. They had very much good, he gave very much good performance in that defense. So do you miss any player with height or some physical structure?
Remember the midfielders of East Bengal? Our players were the same, the tiny players who play today. And against East Bengal we could beat them. So it wasn't a matter of the size of the players. It was a matter of the missed passes we had in the midfield. When we got the ball down, it was not a problem. But today, sadly, the performance with the ball wasn't as we expected.
Any comment on
I told you now, our main target right now, with the intensity we are putting on the field, defending, in that moment of the field, in the moment of the game, we are doing very good actions. As I told your partner, the first goal was a mismatch, However, in the first half, even in the second half, the control of the defensive zone was correct. Today, the intensity was lower in the second half because of the mental problem. 2 goals down is very complicated when you are playing on a tough team as Northeast was. But as I told your mate, the moment of the ball, when we are attacking, we have to improve as soon as possible, because we think with these guys, with the strength, the intensity, the commitment, the quick movement, when they've got the ball, attacking from the flankers, we can carry on to obtain a very good or a successful target in a league. I'm 100% convinced. Because I love Ceylon. When Lyon FC called me again, I didn't doubt. I was here in 2019, 2020, even with the COVID. I was here 3 months isolated at home alone, and even with that moment so terrible for all over the world, the memories I had of from Ceylon were amazing. That's why I'm here again. I love Ceylon. I love the people from Meghalaya. I love what you feel about football, and I think we can do an amazing season all together. You know, even with the technology, the mistakes are on the field all the time. So I'm not going to complain.
Would
Would you
you
be
complain?
pro something like that? Would you be pro VAR in an Indian setup in Indian football?
Obviously can help. Obviously can help. But when the match is over, it's not a serious thing to complain about it. We had to score the goals. We had to score that time. We had to have the problem we had in the first goal. So let the referees alone to enjoy the life and let us to carry on with our plan. No, nothing to say about the referees. I don't like.
Any scope to register?
I don't think so. I don't think so, because what can we do is not to obtain anything. The score was 0-3, so let it go. The first 30 minutes, I think we deserve at least one goal. At least one goal. But as I told you before, the second goal was a kick in our stomach. And after that goal, it's complicated to change the mentality of them, because when the opponent is in an equal level, it's easier. But when you see this strong squad in front of you and trying to change and to score minimum 2 goals, it's complicated for the players. And also the big effort they did so far. And we have to be present, we have to be in mind, but we are still in the preseason. We were working only 20 days together. So with 20 days together, we could reach the semi-final of Durand Cup, playing against 2 great teams of ISL, beating them in the quarterfinal and being in the same level, equal level, till the second goal. So what we have to do is to carry on with our plan. So I'm very proud of them, very proud. Who can come to get better the team is welcome. So we are expecting, management of the team is working on it, and hopefully we can strengthen this amazing squad. Don't forget that again today 7 players from Meghalaya were on the field. So it's a milestone, not only to reach the semi-final, only to have those guys playing against a Northeast United team, ISL team, and against East Bengal, the big one. 7 players from Meghalaya, also the players who came in the second half from Meghalaya, from the youth academy of Ceylon Lyon. So it's to be very, very proud, and obviously all teams want to strengthen everything. So if new players come, welcome to them, and hopefully we can be on the top during that league. And Ceylon, and I love the fans, and hopefully they can carry on doing the same during the I-League, because with them it's possible to reach the top level. We can reach the heaven with the support of the supporters. So please come again and again and again and again and support us.